What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a quick look at how to get a 2024 Hyundai Kona started if the key fob dies. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the Kona as I normally would, it's not going to start, and I'm going to get a message on the dash saying press start button with key. So I'm going to grab my key and I'm going to use the top of it to press the stop start button. So press the brake in like normal and then come over here, push the stop start button with the top of the key. And once the vehicle starts, you'll be able to drive as you normally would. And then the only other thing you'll want to do is to replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video on how to replace the battery in this key fob in case you're unfamiliar. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.